will see the half life of zero order reaction. Okay, जैसा हमने पहले पढ़ा है half life of first order reaction. Now we will see the half life of zero order reaction. Okay, so write down heading half life of zero order reaction. Half life of zero order reaction. Half life of zero order reaction. Now what is the half life equation? Half life of zero order reaction. We know that. What is the rate constant equation for zero order reaction? Write down that the rate constant equation for zero order reaction or of zero order reaction. ये भी एक्सप्रेशन आपको पूछ सकते हैं एग्जाम में, या आपको डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन पूछ सकते हैं. रेट कांस्टेंट इक्वेशन फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज गिवन बाय K is equal to A0 minus AT upon T. ठीक है. अब आपको हाफ लाइफ इक्वेशन निकालना है. ठीक है, हाफ लाइफ ऑर्डर और हाफ लाइफ ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, ये आपको इक्वेशन निकालना है. तो ये जीरो ऑर्डर का रेट कांस्टेंट इक्वेशन है दोस्तों. आप टाइम को आपको पुट करना है. अगर हाफ लाइफ यानी टी हाफ, टी इज इक्वल टू टी हाफ हम पुट करेंगे. आफ्टर अ हाफ लाइफ initial concentration get reduced to half after a half life time. So how the equation will get changed? Now see here, putting the conditions by putting the conditions T is equal to T half, T is equal to T half, AT is equal to A0 by 2. Equation 1 becomes Equation 1 क्या होगा देखो. Equation 1 becomes K is equal to A0 माइनस अब AT इज इक्वल टू क्या रखेंगे हम, A0 by 2. सो A0 by 2 अपॉन T इज इक्वल टू T हाफ. ओके, सो A0 minus A0 by 2 is equal to A0 by 2 upon T half. It is nothing but therefore is equal to A0 upon 2 T half. Therefore T half is equal to A0 upon 2K. This is the half life equation for zero order reaction, second equation. Okay, note down this expression. Okay, अब हमने ये भी देखा था for first order reaction T half is independent of initial concentration. क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में हमने देखा था इक्वेशन T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. उस इक्वेशन में A0 नहीं था. For first order reaction, T half equation is 0.693 upon K. So T half is independent of initial concentration. But here in zero order reaction, half life is directly proportional to initial concentration of the reactant. So this point you must remember. Okay, note down this point. First of all, write down the expression. Then we will write down the point. Write down the point now. The half life of zero order reaction is independent of reactant concentration. Write down the half life the half life of zero order reaction is directly proportional to initial concentration of reactant, that is A0. A0, okay. So this is what about the half life of zero order reaction. ठीक है, तो ये इक्वेशन आपको समझ में आ गया हो. ठीक है. Now we'll see the graphical representation of zero order reaction. Okay, so write down next heading. Graphical representation of zero order reaction. Graphical representation of zero order reaction. Next study, graphical representation of zero order reaction. Okay, graphical representation of zero order reaction. Now for that we must have the equation. Now we know the rate law or integrated rate law, you can say rate law, integrated rate law, you can write the rate integrated rate law, or you can write here integrated rate law for zero order reaction is integrated rate law for zero order reaction is K is equal to A0 minus AT upon T. Okay, so by rearranging this equation we have what is AT here, therefore KT is equal to A0 minus AT. So what will be the AT? Therefore AT is equal to, you can write KT minus or minus KT plus A0. Okay, you can rearrange this rate law equation, integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction. हमने सिर्फ rearrange किया है integrated rate law of zero order reaction. Now why I have written this? Because now I have to draw a graph between AT and T. Okay, that is you have written this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so the intercept is A0 here, and x on x coordinate you can take time, on y coordinate you can take AT. So plot of AT versus T is straight line. What is the nature of graph here? See here, nature of graph. On y axis we have to take AT. Okay, and on x axis T. That will be the linear equation, straight line equation, but it intercepts the y axis at A0. This is what? A0. A0. Okay. Are you getting this point? A0. Okay. And what is slope? Minus K. Slope is equal to m is equal to minus k. So this is plot of, write down, plot or graph of, you can write here, plot of AT versus T, AT versus T for zero order reaction. So to draw, if you want to draw the graph for zero order reaction, you must know the equation. We have written the equation K is equal to A0 minus AT upon T, and we have rearranged this in this form, AT is equal to minus KT plus A0 in the form of linear equation, that is straight line equation actually. Y is equal to mx plus c, and on y axis we have taken AT, on x axis T, slope is what, minus k, and this straight line intercepts this y axis at A0. This is the initial concentration which gradually decreases as time proceeds. Okay, so this is what the graphical representation of zero order reaction. Note down this point. Okay, so after that we will see the examples of zero order reaction. तो ये जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के एग्जांपल भी आपको पूछ सकते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एग्जांपल ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन देखे थे, एग्जांपल डीकंपोजिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, डीकंपोजिशन ऑफ N2O5, that is what examples of first order reaction, and the rate law is experimentally found out. Okay, ये जो rate law determine किया है, that depends on experiment. Experimentally ये prove है decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is first order reaction and decomposition of N2O5 is a first order reaction. Like that we will see which reactions are examples of zero order reaction. Okay, which reactions are the examples of zero order reaction? Write down examples of zero order reaction. Examples of zero order reaction. Examples of zero order reaction. So see here, first take first example, decomposition of NH3, decomposition of NH3, that is decomposition of ammonia on platinum metal, on platinum metal. प्लेटिनम मेटल पे डिकम्पोजिशन जो होता है अमोनिया का, दैट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. राइट डाउन द डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. अमोनिया decomposed into nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas. This is example of zero order reaction. And second, take second example, decomposition of nitrous oxide, decomposition of nitrous oxide, decomposition of nitrous oxide in the presence of platinum catalyst N2O, in the presence of PT catalyst, platinum catalyst, 2N2O gas, it converts into 2N2 plus O2. Note down this example. Okay, so this is second example of zero order reaction, decomposition of nitrous oxide in presence of platinum catalyst. Okay, third, catalytic decomposition of PH3 on hot tungsten. Third, catalytic decomposition of PH3, catalytic decomposition of PH3. Okay, PH3 means phosphine here. Catalytic decomposition of PH3 on hot tungsten, at high pressure. This is also very important example. PH3 का decomposition on hot tungsten at high pressure. So these are the three examples, okay, of zero order reaction. Okay, so in the first case, now why this decomposition of ammonia is example of zero order reaction? Friends, this ammonia, when it is taken on platinum metal, large number of ammonia molecules, what number of ammonia molecules attached on the platinum surface? Yeah, ammonia molecule जो है that is attached to this platinum surface. Okay, and the number of ammonia molecules are very large as compared to platinum. Platinum is small and large number of ammonia are in contact with the platinum. Sorry, small amount of ammonia they are in contact with platinum. Platinum surface is small as compared to the number of ammonia molecules. Ammonia molecules बहुत होते हैं, but कुछ ammonia molecules contact में होते हैं platinum, that only get converted into nitrogen and hydrogen. Hence, rate is independent of ammonia concentration. Okay, क्योंकि ammonia जो है वो large amount of ammonia molecules होते हैं, लेकिन जो अमोनिया कांटेक्ट में होते हैं प्लैटिनम सरफेस के वो ही कन्वर्ट होते हैं नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन में. Hence rate is independent of concentration of ammonia. Only in the presence of catalyst platinum they get decomposed into nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, so this is why the decomposition of ammonia is example of zero order reaction. Okay, so in this way we have seen the graphical representation of zero order reaction, half life of zero order reaction. Okay, and then what examples of zero order reaction. Okay, hope you understood these points. Okay.